Hi, I'm Joanne Butler. When it comes to fall beauty, the fall season is truly being embraced right now. When it comes to hair, rich chocolates, gold highlights, coppers, strawberry blondes, lots of two-tone autumn shades we're seeing. Same for makeup, a lot of chocolate browns, golds on the eyes, lots of bold eyeliner, bold lips too, deep cinnamons, berries. So makeup is back for fall, which is great. But summer, is tough on our hair and skin, and hair especially. So fall is all about giving it some extra TLC. And my favorite way to do that is always Pantene. And they have a fab brand new collection sold at Costco. It's a shampoo and conditioning duo called Multitasker 10. And it's inspired by skincare and infused with keratin, their signature provitamin, vitamin E, and coconut oil. And it penetrates really deeply into your hair strands and tackles 10 different things your hair needs right now. Repairing and softening and strengthening, detangling, protecting color and bonds. It improves shine and protects from heat styling. Just amazing stuff. Safe for all hair types. And it has a scent like a fine fragrance. Floral, woodsy, fruity. 9 out of 10 women experienced healthy hair with this, and the leading luxury brand too. So no need to splurge on premium brands. You can get both of these again right at Costco. Now, before you pop that autumn lip on, you want to heal and protect your lips. This fall winter zaps so much moisture from them, making them dry, chapped, and irritated. My go-to here is La Roche-Posay's new Cicaplast Lips Hydration Restore for dry to very dry sensitive lips. It's a super hydrating, long-lasting lip balm. Instantly soothes and softens, just leaves your lips feeling so comfortable. It has a nice non-greasy texture, and their special proprietary prebiotic thermal water sourced in France is the main ingredient, as in most of their products, plus vitamin B5 and shea butter. So all good high-end stuff, just $9.99, so you can't go wrong, and you can get it right at larocheposay.us and Ulta. Finally, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Get your Z's. Get some exercise in each day to improve circulation. It's your best beauty tip. And avoid those hot showers. I know it's hard in the wintertime, but harsh temps deplete skin from moisture, so lukewarm showers.